everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Ollo credit card account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. Once you open up your web browser, go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in www.ollocard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website. Simply go ahead and click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner in order to bring up the login area. Type in your username in the first text box that appears on the screen. Once you are done, type in your password on the next. Make sure to type in your correct information while logging into your account. In case you don't remember it, you can click on Forgot Your Username or Password link, which will work for both username or password. Simply click on that link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username or to reset to a new password. If you've not enrolled for online access for Ollo card, you can click on this Enroll Here link and follow the instructions to register. If you want the system to remember your credentials, click on the Remember Me box beneath the Sign In button. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave this box unchecked before logging into your account. Finally, click on the Sign In button after you are done typing your information correct and wait for a few seconds. You'll be logged into your Ollo credit card account right away without further delay. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.